How to activate Go2bank card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on activating the credit or the debit card of Go2bank. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your device and then type in activate Go2bank card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites. You're supposed to click on the link of Go2bank help getting started activating your card. Click on this link over here. Now this will take you to the official website of Go2bank, from where in order to activate your card, you have to first locate the activate your card option in the top right corner of the screen, which is just beside the login option. Click on it. This will take you to another whole new page where you have to first enter the card information. In the first field, you have to enter the 16-digit card number. Then after the expiration date of your card, including the security code. Now check this box of I'm not a robot for the verification process. Click on it. And simply after entering the correct form of your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the security code, click on the continue button that is highlighted in blue color in order to successfully log into your Go2bank account for the card activation. If this is your first time activating a Go2bank card, you may need to set up an online account first. And once you've completed entering your card details and setting up your account, the system will verify the information provided, and upon successful verification, a confirmation message will appear on your screen indicating that your Go2bank card has been successfully activated. Congratulations! Now you're all set to start using your card for the various transactions. So in conclusion, by following the simple steps, you have successfully activated your Go2bank card. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. And if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching.